Hi everyone, it's Neil, and today I have, we're in my family room. Welcome to my family room. We have the moon lamp. So we're gonna check this thing out. This looks like a really cool little moon lamp. It's by Logrotate, sliding control moon lamp, made in China. And let's see how this thing is here. So let's open it up. Yeah, you guys can see it there. So we'll check this out. And so here we go. So we'll see what it comes with here. It comes with this is gonna be the base for it. Here is the remote control. Comes with a USB, micro USB cable, USB to micro USB. And then we have the instructions. And we have the lamp. And that's it, nothing else in the box. So let's check this thing out. So this is the ball. And then, so we're gonna put that there. We'll open this up. And hopefully y'all can see what's going on here. So you see you've got this, and it's pretty simple. And they go at angles. You can see it kind of goes like that, goes at one angle. That's the next, and there we go. So it looks like that. And then this thing will sit on top of it. And we'll plug it in with this. So you can see on the bottom here, it's got a little on-off switch and the micro USB input there. So we'll turn it to on, and then I'll plug it in. So there, it's plugged in and on. And I have myself a battery pack here that I'm using for my little ring light. So I'll put that in there. And let's see here, I'm guessing we're probably gonna need some batteries. So let's see, this is the remote, and it requires 2 AAAs. So let's see if we got those here. Today's our lucky day. Got 2 AAAs right there and there. So I did turn it on, so we're gonna try it without even reading an instruction to see what happens. Oh, and there it is, it turns on. Pretty cool. And then there it changes colors. And ooh, I like this color. So it gets all different colors. Not sure what that middle button is. And then the brightness and dim and bright. And we can hit flash, and now it's flashing. I don't know why I have my arm up to do it. Can hit fade. And then it'll fade from one to the next color, I guess. We can choose red, white, green, blue, and then we can time it, 60 seconds, 60 minutes, 30 minutes or 60 minutes, of how long it'll stay on. So that's what the remote looks like. This looks really cool. Definitely looks like the moon or some planet or something here. Definitely, it looks really cool. And is it, let me see what happens. Oh, so it turns it off. So there's the off and on button. Let me turn it back on. Did I do it? Let's see. Let me look at this here. What does it say? I have to look at the on off again. I can't see it in the dark. Okay, it's off now. So that's the on. Does it have a battery? Let me see. Oh, I guess it does, because it's not even plugged in now. So I guess it's got a little battery in there, so it will be able to light up without even being connected up. So if you want to put it in a kid's room or something like that while they go to sleep and not have to worry about them pulling the wires out of the wall or whatever, no problem there. Ooh, I like the blue. But that's it. Or you can just leave it plugged in all the time, like I will probably do, because that's how I roll. And there it is, the moon lamp. So this is really sweet. I love these kind of things here. Let me see what else there is. Let's see what it says on here. It says moon lamp and introduction of the sliding moon lamp control. So let's see. I don't even know what's sliding about it. Function switch, touch the button. Oh, I guess if you do it this way, you can just do the buttons right on here. And then it's got the Ah, see, okay, so I don't even need the remote. So if you have it this way, you can just touch it and, oops, gotta move it up here. See, it's got like a slider here for the different things here, and then the off and on button, and then that's the switching the modes. So yeah, so you can just use that instead. So there you go. So you could just touch it or use the remote. I guess I would just use the remote. Seems way easier to do to me. Although I guess if you don't have the remote and you just have this thing here lit up somewhere, you can still make it do what you want it to do. When you're putting somebody to bed, you can just go, here we go. There we go. So whatever you want, it's cool. I like it. I'm gonna put a link to this in my description of this product here below, so you guys can pick one up from yourselves. Be sure to subscribe to my channel so you can see more cool things as I unbox and test them. And like this video because this video is awesome and I'm awesome. So that's it. So thanks for watching, everyone, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon. Take care. Bye.